Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So a lot of people are asking me like, we need a good high-res audio speakers. Can you suggest me in the budget? So this particular product from Alpine S2 is an high-res speakers which comes within an MRP of around 30,000. So let's go and review the product, what all accessories which comes with respect to Alpine S2 and what kind of material they have used, what is the RMS and what is it peak power, what is the impedance power. So one by one we'll go and look into it. So Alpine S2 comes up with a component and coaxial speakers. So the best part is whenever you wanted to change your company speaker and just to add an aftermarket speaker, best part of the speakers is it is made up of polypropylene glass fiber speakers. When you are going to put an amplifier and subwoofer, the speakers won't break. Even though you wanted to put a very high-end audio, still the speakers will support. So once you implement, and you can go for any high-end audio upgrade. The second is an impedance power. It is around 4 ohms. 4 ohms which is actually fit for your OEM system. Too good, you will get an output on it. And if you wanted to change it to an aftermarket system, still the speakers will support with a good quality audio. Third is an power handling capacity. This comes with an 80 watt RMS speaker, which is literally very good on this budget. And the other best part is the peak power is going to be around 240 watts. Frequency response will be around 70 hertz to 40 kilohertz, which is literally good for any speakers. So if you guys are thinking to upgrade only the speakers, then this particular product is really good into the market, and there are a lot of products which is on the similar range. So when you are choosing your speakers, please wisely choose the speakers, thinking like what you wanted to do it in your features on your car audio upgrade. So we have discussed enough on the features and what is about the product. Now let's unbox the component and coaxial speakers and let's see how's the quality of the product over here. So first, when we are unboxing, what do you find is we get a warranty card, and with warranty activation and terms and condition, then you get a referral book of the product. Then we are opening the box. The box is really nicely packed over here, and if you see, right, with respect to the component speakers, the quality is really good, and this is good weight which is there over here. And what I was telling, like that, a polypropylene. So if you see here, right, the quality is really good on the speakers. And what we get next over is we get a tweeters of both left and right. And inside, when we open, if you see here, right, we get the crossover, the clamps, the tweeter caps, everything we get over here. So this sums the complete component speakers. Next we go and see the coaxial speakers. So if you see on coaxial speaker also, right, you get a warranty card for the same. You get it over there. Then the only difference is you get the tweeters separately over there, and in coaxial, if you see here, right, we get it within the speakers. So only difference between that is there in component and coaxial. If you guys wanted to get your car upgraded with good audio, please reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.